Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Trading Critique. Today we're diving deep into a project that's got the crypto world wagging its tail, Neirocoin. Now, before you think this is just another meme coin, hold on. Neirocoin has a unique story and a dedicated community behind it. So, what exactly is Neirocoin? Launched in 2023, Neirocoin is a utility token built on the Ethereum blockchain. But unlike many other tokens, Neirocoin has a specific purpose: to power the Neiro ecosystem. The Neiro ecosystem is all about building a community-driven platform for dog lovers and crypto enthusiasts. Think of it as a digital kennel where fans can connect, share their love for dogs, and participate in various activities. Neirocoin will be used for governance. Holders will have a say in the development of the Neiro ecosystem, voting on proposals and shaping the platform's future. Rewards. Active community members can be rewarded with Neirocoin for their contributions, creating a sustainable incentive system. Merchandise and NFTs. The Neiro team plans to release dog-themed merchandise and NFTs, providing unique collectibles for fans. Now, this all sounds great on paper, but what are some real-world use cases we can expect? The Neiro team has already announced some exciting partnerships. Dog-themed charity. A partnership with a local animal shelter will allow the community to donate Neirocoin to support their cause. Dog-related events. Neirocoin will be used to sponsor and organize dog-related events, such as dog shows and meetups. These are just a few initial examples, and the possibilities are endless. As the Neiro ecosystem grows, we can expect to see even more innovative ways to use Neirocoin. All right, so Neirocoin sounds promising, but before you hop on the bandwagon, let's talk about the potential benefits and risks involved. On the benefit side, Neirocoin offers a unique value proposition within the crypto space. If the Neiro ecosystem gains traction, Neirocoin could become a valuable tool for both dog lovers and crypto enthusiasts. Additionally, the strong community behind Neirocoin can provide significant support. Now, for the risks. The crypto market is highly volatile, and Neirocoin is no exception. The success of Neirocoin depends heavily on the growth and engagement of its community. As with any new cryptocurrency, there's always the risk of scams and rug pulls. Now, let's quickly go over the tokenomics. Initial supply: 1 billion circulating supply, 1 billion network, Ethereum. So there you have it, a brief overview of Neirocoin. As always, it's crucial to do your own research and due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency. But if you're interested in supporting a community-driven project and love dogs, Neirocoin might be worth exploring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto content. Until next time.